Introducing the all-new CompTIA SecurityX certification, which is your gateway to mastering cutting-edge cybersecurity skills in a rapidly evolving digital world. SecurityX is designed to address the latest challenges in cybersecurity, focusing on advanced threat detection, risk management, and the tools you need to safeguard systems from modern attacks. This certification prioritizes hands-on learning, which equips you with the practical experience to analyze, protect, and respond to real-world threats, making you indispensable in any cybersecurity role. And here's the best part. Cybersecurity professionals with certifications like the SecurityX can earn an impressive salary. Entry-level roles often start around $70,000 annually, while experienced professionals can make upward to $120,000 annually. It's an investment in your future that pays off. Stay ahead of the curve and secure your future in cybersecurity with the CybersecurityX. Learn more and start your journey today with Training Camp. Bye!